Hey guys, welcome back to another Build Your Own Lego Boat Challenge. Number 3. I actually got a comment that said wet. Thank you so much. I am happy now. My life is complete, but I think you can tell that we're having some issues upstairs, and we don't have a shop set up here.
Wait a minute.
We don't have a shop set up here, but that is okay because we are using Lego tub number 1. Yeah, I have 3 of these.
Poop.
This is all we get. We do not have a money limit. We don't have a budget, nothing. Just all these Legos. Don't worry, they're not going to come out. No, that's not Lego.
Not Lego.
What else here is not Lego?
Yeah.
I have a lot of random stuff in here. I don't know, but let's go. Let's go. Hey, get over here. Let's go. Yeah! I have no clue what to build. Just a quick notice. This challenge is very special. We are betting $20 and all of the coins. Yeah. You probably are like, what in the world? What coins? Well, this is called the 1 pound challenge, and basically, our boat has to be strong enough to support 1 pound of coins. So that is going to be very difficult. Wow. Wow. Dang it!
Oh, found it. Sweet! What the heck am I gonna build? Okay, platform. Everybody, okay, just please, Okay, please tell me this is not the 1 pound challenge. Please tell me it's not the 1 pound challenge. If it's the 1 pound challenge, I'm gonna cry. Oh, forget it!
We're at the testing site, and in this one you have to name your boat and everything, so I call them Screaming Terror. Yeah, Screaming Terror. In this 1 pound challenge, we're using this bag of coins. It's a 1 pound bag of coins, and we set it on top of the boat, and we hope it floats. Whoever wins this wins the bag of money and the $20 that we bet. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Here we go. Okay, does the boat even float? Okay, it floats, but watch this. The Screaming Terror is sunk. Oh my gosh.
Flying Pony Express. I put the horse on there just for fun. Does it float? No. No, it doesn't float. So it's obviously... Hey, the guy's head is still above water. That's good. Don't you think? His head is... Oh my gosh, I'm losing this. I am pure losing this. No, but you didn't win. Of course you didn't win.
Yes, I did. Mine floated without coins on the top. Yours didn't even float without the coins.
Yours just went straight to the bottom.
It just went thump. What about yours?
Went thump.
See, yours isn't even too breakable. We got $20. We got a giant bag of coins. I mean, like, I think I won, guys. What do you think? Who do you think won? His didn't even float without the coins.
You don't know that.
Yes, I did. I watched the video. I have to edit this stuff. Bro, I have to edit this. Okay, so comment down below who you think won. Personally, I'm keeping the money.
Hang on a
And
second.
I think you should admit it.
That's just your money, right?
Yeah.
Fine!
Yes! He admits it, I win! Guys, I hope you really liked this video. This is the final one of the
Hey,
Build
bro.
Your Own Boat Challenge. Wait, I'm talking to the viewers. Yay.
Why payment?
Yay. Boom. So I out of these couple videos, I probably made, what, $35. Hey, that ain't bad. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Screaming Terror, be awesome, and goodbye.